GINT Civil Tools Sitemap. In GINT Civil Tools, we have added sitemap capabilities that replicate and actually enhance the capabilities inside of core GINTs, so GINT as you know it, sitemap capabilities. Shown here is GINT in the sitemap capability or sitemap tab. As you can see, you can import a sitemap in DXF format, add new point IDs, review point ID properties, look at project data, perform queries, choose how it's displayed, and copy and offset point IDs. Although simple, there are also issues. One such issue is that the DXF file you imported often slowed GINT down when loading and looking at the map unless the sitemap was very basic. So if it was complicated, you had to remove many layers. As a first step towards enhancing capabilities, we have added all sitemap features found in GINT to GINT Civil Tools. Since GINT Civil Tools is based on MicroStation, it can handle larger drawings with many levels without issue. So if I go into GINT Civil Tools, here I am in a project. I will zoom to extents. You can see I have a preliminary drawing plan for a brand new highway or a realignment of an existing highway. I also have a few boreholes located in this, and these are actually existing boreholes in the area that I have put into a GINT file and imported using GINT Civil Tools. In the sitemap tool, you can see I can attach references, so I can do more than just add a preliminary plan in a CAD application. I can bring into GINT Civil Tools. I can also attach rasters or drawings or WMS information, set my coordinate systems, measure a distance, and also add new point IDs. So I have this preliminary plan and I want to plan perhaps a geotechnical investigation. I can figure out where I need to add additional boreholes or site investigation test pits or other elements to a site investigation. I can click on New Point ID, give it a name, a depth. There is no existing ground to choose from at this time, so I'll just place the borehole. And here you can see New Point ID, data point to accept the borehole, and post it to the database, reset to cancel. And if I zoom in, there's my new borehole. I can continue with that as many times as I need until I have finished developing my geotechnical investigation. At this time, only the point ID, depth, and coordinates are written into GINT. Also, in GINT Civil Tools, you can review properties that you've imported into GINT Civil Tools or under the Point tab in the Import dialog. If I select an item, you can see some information, including the level it's on. If I click on Properties, you see I'm in HB4, and you can see all the information I imported. Source is the GINT project, northing and easting, elevation, depth, date started and date completed, they are historical. Hole size, logged by, and method are some of the information that I did import. This information is in the GINT Civil Tools file.